304, let's go. In the top level lookup tables, we've added 2 lookup tables. It takes an index 0 to 20 and converts it to either the layer 0, 1, or 2, or the tile size 0 through 6 inclusive. We're going to use both of these lookup tables rather than a doubly nested loop. We've added this conceptual file, fragment shader optimizations. We have a potential optimization. When this optimization is off, then we're going to use these 2 lookup tables in our loop. In the shader macros section, we've added 3 variables, 7, 20, and 21 unsigned. In the shader we're working on, shader number 7, we've included the optimization file here. And down here in the main function file, we've added this new index, 0 to 20, in our questionable scope area. And we've added a data selection occlusion loop section, where we have a single loop, 0 to 20 inclusive. We're going to use the lookup table to get the layer and the tile size with that singly nested loop if this optimization is off. If the optimization is on, we are going to calculate the math by hand to derive the layer and tile size exponent. We'll do some more work, but in other videos, because we don't have time here. In our preprocessor function, we have added both of these new lookup tables to our lookup table of lookup tables. The name we want it to have on the GPU, the injection site tokens, and increase the max index. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, some other notes, some other notes, and then down here is what we did previously. If you want a more in-depth explanation, you can go here. You are on the shorter video playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video number 304. So like, subscribe, send money.